Hello everybody. In this COVID-19 lockdown period, all of us are spending a lot of time with mobile phones. Do you know what mobile phones do to your eyes? Do you know of an entity called dry eye? Do you want to keep your eyes healthy? I am Dr. Vanaja Vaidyanathan, founder and medical director of Jyoti Eye Care Center. Today I am going to be talking to you about the ill effects mobile phone can cause to your eyes. It is disheartening to know that every third Indian has got dry eye, and world over we have 340 million dry eye patients, 10 million getting added on every year. What is the cause? The excessive usage of all gadgets, especially mobile phone, computer, laptop, iPad, iPhone, etc. So when you are looking into gadgets, the problem is you keep staring at the screen without blinking. So what does this cause? This leads to excessive evaporation of the tear film from the eyes. So the tear film has got an oily layer over the watery layer, and this oil comes from blinking. So every time you blink, spurts of oil covers the tear film and prevents evaporation. It stabilizes the tear film and prevents evaporation. So when you don't blink enough, it is going to cause excessive evaporation and evaporative dry eye. What are the symptoms of dry eye? You can have itching, irritation, burning sensation, redness, eye pain, and paradoxically, excessive watering can also be a symptom of dry eye, because the oil layer is deficient. Water layer cannot stabilize over your eye and it keeps spilling out, or there can be reflex watering because of the irritation that is produced in the eye. Hope you understood what dry eye is, and if you have any of the symptoms that I mentioned, please approach your nearest ophthalmologist, or if you are in Pondicherry, you can approach us at Jyoti Eye Care Center. In this lockdown period, we are doing a study on the physical and mental addiction that cell phone usage can produce to all of us, and we are circulating a survey form for all of you to fill up in order to help us complete the study successfully. So the mental addiction can be in the form of anxiety, irritability, stress produced by not having cell phone even for a few minutes, and the physical addiction especially caused to the eyes, the form of dry eye, are being studied in this survey. I congratulate Dr. Sachin of Superb Humans and Dr. Purani of Happiness and Success Academy for having organized this session at a very apt moment. This is the need of the hour.